Hi all. Today's topic is on basic sentence structure, that is subject verb object pattern. Already we have learned about subject. What is a subject? A subject tells us who or what performs the action. For example, the girl cooks food. The girl is the subject, performer of the action. Subject can be a noun or a pronoun doing the action. Subject usually comes before the verb. What is a verb? All action words are called as verb. The action done by the noun or the pronoun. Let us take the same example. The girl cooks food. So here cooks is the action done by the subject, the girl, and hence cooks becomes a verb. What is an object? It tells us who or what receives the action. The girl cooks food. Food is the thing that receives the action and hence it becomes the object. Object is the noun or pronoun receiving the action. The object comes after the verb. So here the object food comes after the verb cooks. Let us discuss few examples on subject verb object pattern. The monkey climbs the tree. The monkey is the subject, doer of the action, climbs is the verb, action done by the subject, and the tree is the object which receives the action. Rahul played with the ball. Rahul is the subject, played is the verb, with the ball is the object. So here you can see the subject Rahul comes before the verb played, and also the object the ball comes after the verb played. Let us go to the next example. The students read the novel. The students is the subject, read is the verb, the novel is the object. The cat drinks milk. Already I taught you that subject comes before the verb and object comes after the verb. So here the verb is drinks and the subject is the cat. So the cat, the subject, it comes before the verb drinks. Milk is the object which comes after the verb drinks. I have broken the umbrella. Here I is the subject, it is a pronoun. Have broken is the verb. The umbrella is the object. The object can be direct object or indirect object. First, direct object. If the receiver of the action answers the question what, then it is direct object. If the receiver of the action answers the question to whom, then it is indirect object. Example, the lady baked a cake for me. So So here the objects are two. One is direct object and indirect object. So here first, if the receiver of the action answers the question what? So here what does the lady bake? A cake, right? So here a cake is direct object. For whom did the lady bake? For me. So it answers the question whom and it becomes indirect object. She gave me a pen. To whom did she give a pen? To me. So it is indirect object. What did she give? A pen. So it becomes direct object. Tanvi made cards for her friends. Tanvi is the subject, made is the verb, cards direct object and her friends indirect objects. So here her friends, it answers the question to whom and cards answers the question what. Sudha gave her mom an apple. Sudha is the subject, doer of the action, gave is the verb, action done by the subject, her mom and apple both are objects. So one is indirect object, the other one is direct object. An apple is direct object because it answers the question what. Her mom is indirect object because it answers the question to whom. Jit submitted the book to his teacher. Jit is the subject, doer of the action. Submitted is the verb, action done by the subject. The book to his teacher is object. One is direct object, the other one is indirect object. The book answers the question what, it becomes direct object. To his teacher answers the question whom and it becomes indirect object. I hope you all understood. Thank you.